Good evening. Welcome all to DTouch 3.0 monthly report for 25th June 2021, and this is the first monthly report for our new version DTouch Q1 5Y22. So welcome you all for this monthly report. Let's move on. Okay, let's look at the DTrace overall status, and we have totally 941 courses which got registered, and we removed around 100 employees who were de-lancers, and after removing those people, we got our pure red cases reduced a lot, but still we have the red zone people. So let's see the overall picture of what exactly the things are. So if you take the green count, it is 455 is a number, and for amber we have 252 registrations, and for red we have 192 students, and for pure red we have 42 red. So these 42 students who never took any initiative to learn DTouch after this version starts. So we have worked a lot, and we have reduced the pure red cases to this extent, but still we need to check whether we can move these people in within another next 4 weeks. And if you look at the DTrace overall percentage, the green stands at 48%, amber stands at 27%, red stands at 20%, and pure red stands at 5%. So let's move on to the next slide. Okay, this is about the Chennai DTrace status, the Chennai center status. We have totally 19 students who registered. In that we have 5 green, 10 amber, 3 red, and 1 pure red. And if you look at the percentage, we have 26% green, 53% amber, 16% red, and 5% pure red. And I would like to give you the definition for this green, amber, red, and pure red. Okay, green is something like if a student is active in all the 3 activities or all the 4 activities, like lessons and learning, then assessment and attending, and activities and submitting, and the last is captain session attendance. So all these 4 activities will be monitored, and only based on that we are categorizing the students in green, amber, red, and pure red. Okay, so if you take the green category, as I said earlier, it will be if a student is active in all these 4 without missing anything, then they will be in green. Amber cases are like if they miss 1 or 2 sessions or 1 or 2 assessment, and or if they would like to complete, if they didn't complete 1 or 2 lessons. So there is no major issue in learning. So those kind of students will be in amber category. And if you look into red category, the people who are not active in a particular division completely. For example, if a student is learning the course, attending the assessment, and coming to the captain session, but he is not at all involving himself in completing or submitting an activity, So those kind of students will be categorized into red. So these students, if we give some more push and more attentiveness, then these people can move to amber and then to green. So that is the way we are approaching these red students. And pure red is something like they are not at all getting into any of these 4 activities. Not learning anything, it's 0. Not attending any assessments, it's 0. And not submitting any activities if it's given, and not getting into captain session. So who are completely inactive, we are categorizing them as red. Alright, so let's move on to the next slide. Okay, this is about Gadu Center's report on retests. So green we have 9, amber we have 2, red and pure red is 0. So totally we have 11 students who are learning from Gadu. So we are feeling really great to see the activeness of Gadu. Even in last version, Gadu has a very good active position in DTouch. So we would like to appreciate the Gadu resources for this. Thank you, Gadu team. Let's continue the same trend, and we would like to, from DTouch team, we would like to wish you a great success in learning all the courses. Thank you. So let's move on to the next center. Okay, this is about the Corpus DTrace status. In Corpu we have totally 253 people, 253 students who got involved themselves in DTouch, and we have 132 green, 68 amber, 42 red and 11 pure red. And if you look at the DTrace percentage of Corpu, green is 52%, amber is 27%, red is 17% and pure red is 4%. So this is how the numbers are looking like. So let's see, I hope we'll be able to see more improvement in the last 4 weeks, because we already completed 1 month. So another 1 more month to go. Hope all the students from Corpu team will be moving to green soon. And from DTouch team we will also provide the maximum support from our end. Thank you. So let's move on to the next center. Okay, this is about the Kollu Center's DTrace status. Totally we have 247 students, wherein 92 green, 68 amber, 74 red and 13 pure red. And if we look at Kollu status, I think red status is more than amber, so it is a little bit higher than the amber count. If you look at the previous centers, the red and pure red is always lesser than the amber count, but here the red count is a little bit higher than amber. So we have to work hard, Kollu teams, to move this red to amber and then green. So hope we can do that in the upcoming days. Alright, if you look at the DTrace percentage of Kollu, 37% green, 28% amber, 30% red and 5% pure red. Thank you. So let's move on to the next center. Okay, let's look at the TN Palayam DTrace status. We have overall 253 students who are involving themselves in DTouch, and we have 147 green, 59 amber, 38 red and 9 pure red. So if you look at the numbers, I think TN Palayam is having a little bit less number, but still we have to work a little bit to move these red cases to amber and green, and we have to see what can be done for this pure red cases. And when I checked with one of the manager, he confirmed that some of the people in pure red have already resigned, so we need to get an updated list from HR to confirm and remove those pure red cases from detached list. Right. So if you look at the percentage of TN Palayam, we can see 52% green, 27% amber, 17% red, and 4% pure red. Alright, so let's move on to the next center now. So let's look at the Viluppuram Center. Viluppuram Center, we have 158 students involve themselves in detach, wherein 70 green, 45 amber, 35 red, and 8 pure red. And the detrace percentage for Viluppuram Center stands at 44% green, 29% amber, 22% red, and 5% pure red. Thank you. So let's move on to our next divisions. Alright, we are going to look at the courses level red, amber, green status, that is detrace status for basics of BOT. So if you look at basics of BOT 101, that overall the grand total for basics of BOT for 101, 201, 301 put together, we have 24 green, 14 amber, 13 red, and 5 pure red. So the overall number for basics of BOT, the total registration count is 68. For data annotation, we have totally 152 students got registered, and 91 students are perfectly on green status, and 27 are amber, 25 are red, and 9 students are in pure red. And if we look at data cleansing course, we have 52 greens, 13 ambers, 9 reds, and 4 pure reds. So total count of students put together for 101 and 201, it's 78. So for data collection, captain is Arun, and we have total students who involve themselves in data collection are 74. So 27 green, 15 amber, 29 red, and 3 pure red. And 101 data collection 101 is being handled by Vijay. Okay, for deep learning, Thrissur is the captain, and for deep learning, the data which we are receiving is only for attendance. So based on the attendance, we are categorizing the students in red, amber, green, and pure red. And we got 22 students as of now, and in that 19 students are attending the Trisa's session on daily basis, and 2 people are in red and 1 student is in pure red. And for English skills, we have Saravanan as a trainer and Yashasvi as a captain. And right now we have all the 101, 201 and 301 level sessions are going on. And we have around 38 people in total as a count right now. But still we have some people will be included, some more students will be included in this English skills in the 101 level. So by next week, by next bi-weekly report, we'll be able to see the difference. So green, we have 10 people are in green and 13 are in amber and 15 are in red. So I think this categorization happened based on the sessions being attended by the students, and hope this will increase in the upcoming days along with the new students. Yeah. So let's move on to the next course. Yeah. Digital marketing, captain is Niveda. So she is taking care of all the 3 levels. And right now we have 83 students in digital marketing, wherein 23 students are in green, 39 students are in amber, 18 students are in red, and 3 students are in pure red. Yeah, let's move on to the next course. And for logical thinking and problem solving, Srilekha is the captain, and the coordinator would be Suganya. And if you look at the logical thinking and problem solving, it is a very interesting course in DTouch, we can say. All the 3 levels involved in playing games and increasing our knowledge level, the aptitude level, the memory level, everything. So that is this particular logical thinking course. It's really great stuff which can be used for any project which we are working right now. So totally we have 129 students available put in together for all the 3 levels, wherein 81 students are in green, 34 students are in amber, 12 students are in red, and 2 students are in pure red. So let's move on to the next course. Okay, MS Excel is being handled by Mohinder and Vaitishwaran. So Mohinder is handling 101 and 201, whereas Vaitishwaran is handling 301 course. And put together we have 68 students in MS Excel, wherein 20 students are in green, 22 are in amber, 24 are in red, and 2 people are in pure red. Alright, software testing, we have 2 captains, Udaya and Shweta. So Shweta is taking care of, both of them are taking care of all the 3 versions, 3 levels. Put together we have 76 students registered themselves for software testing and learning the course. So in that we have 30 green, 26 amber, 17 red and 3 pure red. So this is the status for the monthly report for software testing. Hope these numbers 70 plus 320 will go down further in the upcoming days. Okay, let's see about the next course. Alright, so now we can see transcription status, the detailed status for the first month of this quarter of this version. So transcription captain is Soumya and the coordinator is Deepika from DTouch. We have 100 people exactly learning transcription course. In that we have 46 students who are in green, 31 are in amber, 18 are in red, and 5 students are in pure red. So this is the status. Right. Translation course is being the captain is Vinesh and the coordinator is Ishad from DTouch team. And we have 65 students who are learning translation course, wherein 32 students are in green, 18 are in amber, 10 are in red, and 5 are in pure red. Okay, regarding weekly and monthly toppers, we are already collecting the data from captains for weekly, because captains are the owners for weekly toppers selection stuff, and monthly toppers DTouch team will be checking the data of all the assessment, learning, then attending the captain session and completing the activity and all the data based stuff regarding the monthly topper. And this particular weekly and monthly toppers list will be announced by the mid of the next week, as we are working on it. Alright, so it's really a great honor for us to present this monthly report for the first month report for this version, and we would like to get all the employees of Desi Group to complete this certification and come out in flying colors. So that is our aim and our motto of the DTouch team, and hope we'll get the maximum support from all our captains, the DNX leaders, and BU heads, CEO, Mani sir, so from everyone to complete this version with great success. So thank you. With thanks from DTouch team.